box and assemble the 3D printer. Okay, so you can see our machine is very easy to assemble that. You can assemble that, use this small tool like me, and you can assemble that if you are good like me. So all these serious machine can assemble in this mode. I just do that. So it is very easy to assemble, and you can print anything you want when that finish. Print a toy for your baby, or print a gift or rabbits or anything. Okay, so now you can start to get a printer and start printing. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.